Hello everyone, I'm Dean and I'm from Hillforce, and today I'm going to introduce you two type of electrosurgical units. Okay, now I'm opening this equipment and let's see what's included in this. First thing we can see is a brief introduction of our equipment. And here is some accessories. This one is foot control and this is power cord. And next, here is the fuse. But here. And here we come another foot control. And some accessories. Here is the pencil, the connecting cable, another pencil, and electrode plate. Okay, here we have our equipment EB03, and together with the trolley designed for this equipment. Now let's take a look at Here we have a basket to place all the accessories of this equipment. Okay, now we are looking at this EB03. Here we can see the control panel here, and I have attached the pencil and the plate here. And now I will turn on this equipment. And now you can hear the alarm because we have not attached this plate to the patient. And now I will attach it to the skin. And we can see here the stick area. And this means the percentage of the plate attached to the patient body. And when this plate goes off the patient, this stick area will deduct. And when the entire plate is fell off, this alarm will come back. Now this alarm shows you cannot conduct surgery anymore because it can cause burning to the patient. And here I show you how to use this pencil. We can see two buttons here. This pencil controls two modes. One is cut and one is coagulate. When we press the yellow button, this function is on. And blue button is for this function. And another way to control is this foot control. When we press this yellow one, this is on. The blue one, this is on. And this for one pencil, and another pencil is for bipolar mode. This one can only be controlled by a foot control. I will get the foot control. And this single pedal control can control the bipolar mode for this pencil. This function is on. And how to adjust the output. Here we have different buttons to control the output. And here this button is control the mode. We have pure cut, blend 1, blend 2, blend 3. This is for different cutting parts on the patient body. When you use blend 1, you can set it to a big output. And when you use the blend 2, you can adjust to another one It's all set in this machine. When you use it, you only need to switch this button. And for 3, now we can switch to the pure 1. See? All the settings are remembered here. And when we use this coagulation mode here, we can change to the soft coagulation and point coagulation. And we use different kinds of this blade. But today here we don't display it. The same way we adjust the output. And for bipolar, we have a pencil and we control by a foot control and adjust the output. And here you can see there is 2 types of the electrode plates. This is single, this is dual. Now we are using dual. Only when we are using dual plate, we can see the stick area. If you are using single plates, you cannot display. And that's all for EBO3. Okay, that's basically everything I want to tell you about this equipment. And we are going to look at the following video to learn more about this one. Okay, that's basically everything I want to tell you about this equipment. And we are going to introduce you about another model. It's called EBO5. That was the main product of this series in our company. And now we are going to show you. Now we are going to take a look what's included in the EBO5. This is the power cord. This is the user menu. Here we have the fuse for change. This is the packing list. This is the main unit of this EBO5 equipment. Here we have the foot control, also called pedal control. This is the coagulation forceps. It's the cable for the forceps. This is the cable for the electrode plate. pencil, the electrode plate, and another pencil. Now let's take a look at this appearance. Here we have the control panel. The nameplate. And here we connect the foot control, and here the power cord. Here we insert all the accessories in different places. Now I attach all the accessories to the equipment. Okay, now the accessories are ready, and now I'm going to turn on the power. This is the most popular one in our company, and now I show you the difference between this one and EB03. And now I switch on. They also give us alarm when this one is not attached to the patient, and now I attach it. The alarm go away, and here shows the stick area, the percentage, and it's the same one. When this goes off the patient, this will deduct, and also the alarm will come back. And basically the control panel is the same with EB03, but there is one special function here. We have memory systems for this equipment, and we have now there are 9 different kinds of settings can be remembered here. How to preset this, and press on this button, it goes into the setting mode. And now we are setting for number 1, and we set 20, 10, and now press this one, it will be remembered. We switch to the first one. See, the outputs are we are set it just now. And now it goes to the second. Now it goes to the second mode. Adjust it. And press this one, it's remembered. Let's keep switching. This is the one we just set it. And this function is very useful when different doctors they are doing different surgeries. They need different output for different parts on the patient. It's very useful, and this will save time, and also it's very convenient for doctors. Here we have this pencil set well, and this controls the cut and coagulation mode. When I press the yellow one, Here, this pencil yellow part controls the cut, blue bottom controls the coagulate, and also we can switch here. We have precise bipolar coagulation and standard coagulation. The difference is the output. You can set the output according to the demands of the surgery. And here we have pedal control. This means the bipolar control. When we press this one, the foot control is used for bipolar. And we switch to the monopolar one, and the foot control is for this monopolar one. It controls this pure cut. Switch to the bipolar one. It will control here bipolar cut. Okay, here we have this cut, pure cut, blend 1, blend 2, blend 3. It's the same with the EBO3. And here, coagulate, soft and point. And this one, spray, is for different places as well. We don't show it here, but if you are interested, you can contact our customer service on Alibaba. Okay, that's basically everything I want to tell you about this equipment. And now we're going to take further look at the video for this EBO5. Here we have two models here. This one is EBO3. This one is EBO5. EBO5 is the most popular one in our company. And here we can see the control panels here. It's different. And the output capacity of EBO5 is from 0 to 400 watts. The capacity of EBO3 is from 0 to 350 watts. And for EBO5, there is a special function that we can preset the output for different doctors. The maximum is about 9 presettings memory system in this one. And EBO3 doesn't have this function. Okay, we have every accessories here included in the box. And now I'll show you the details. This is the power cord in the box. And we have 3 different type of sockets: American type, British type, and Chinese type. And you can tell us when you are placing the order. And this is the pencil controlled by pedal control. Pedal control is here. These two must be used together. And the length of this pencil is about 3 meters. 3 meters. And here is another pencil. This is controlled by your hand. You can see there is 2 buttons here. Yellow controls the cut, and the blue controls the coagulation. And this is also about 3 meters length. And here we have this electrode plate. Today we are using a dual plate. We also have single plates and reusable plates, but the reusable plate is optional. You can contact us if you need it. Here we have the cable for electrode. Also, the length is still 3 meters. And how to connect it to the electrode plate? We can loose the bottom here and take the electrode and stick into here. Okay, now it's connected. And for the electrode, I want to tell you one thing is when the contact area to the patient's skin is less than 15%, the equipment will send out alarm. That means you cannot continue until you put this electrode on the patient 100%. Otherwise, it will cause burning on the patient. That's basically all the accessories needed for the equipment. In our sample room, we have multiple products. First is this electrode unit. The second one is surgical table. And we have also anesthesia machine and neural navigator and ceiling pendants and also this mounting ceiling surgical light. We have widely sold this product to more than 100 countries in the world. And we have very professional team to support you and guarantee your smooth operation. And in other videos, we will tell you about other products in our sample room. Thank you.